For centuries, humanity has been told that we live on a spinning sphere, 25,000 miles in circumference, hurtling through the vacuum of space at incredible speeds. Yet more and more independent researchers are discovering evidence that challenges this model. What if the Earth is not a globe, but a level, motionless plane? Let's count down the top 5 proofs from number 5 to number 1. 5. Flight paths. Air travel offers one of the most revealing clues about the shape of the Earth. Many long-distance flights, particularly in the southern hemisphere, take routes that seem illogical on a globe. They appear to zigzag across continents or detour thousands of miles off the shortest path. Yet when these same routes are plotted on a flat Earth map, they align in a straight line. The mystery deepens when we look at emergency landings, and in multiple documented cases, flights experiencing medical or technical issues have landed in airports that seem wildly out of the way on a globe, but are directly on the flight path of a flat projection. If airlines are flying these routes for practical reasons, it suggests their navigation is based on a reality that aligns more closely with a flat plane than a spinning ball. 4. Still, motionless Earth. Our senses tell us the ground beneath our feet is still, but modern science claims that we are spinning 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, orbiting the sun at 67,000 miles per hour, and hurtling through the galaxy at over 500,000 miles per hour. If all this motion were real, shouldn't we be able to measure it? In the late 1800s, the Michelson-Morley experiment tried to detect the Earth's movement through the supposed ether. The result? No motion detected. The same outcome came from Airy's failure, where an experiment designed to prove Earth's movement ended up supporting the idea that the Earth is stationary. Even modern-day laser interferometers and gyroscopes have revealed results that challenge the idea of constant motion. Every repeatable test points to the same conclusion: the Earth does not move. 3. Long-distance photography. On a globe 25,000 miles around, there is a physical limit to how far we can see. The curvature of the Earth should hide objects beyond a certain distance, no matter how clear the air is. The formula is simple: 8 inches per mile squared. This means that from 50 miles away, the base of a building over 1,600 feet tall should be completely hidden below the horizon, and yet photographers have captured entire city skylines, lighthouses, and mountains from distances that should make them impossible to see. Zoom lenses, high-powered binoculars, and even the naked eye on a clear day reveal more of our world than the globe model allows, suggesting we live on a plane, not a sphere. 2. No measurable curvature. Water provides the perfect testing ground for curvature. Whether over lakes, oceans, or calm canals, it always settles perfectly level. If Earth were a sphere, we should be able to measure its curve over long stretches of water. Researchers have used lasers, mirrors, and sightlines over distances of 10, 20, even 100 miles, yet no curvature is detected. The results consistently show a flat line of sight from point to point. One of the most famous examples is the Bedford Level experiment in England, where 6 miles of canal water showed no drop. Despite repeated testing, the expected curvature remains missing. 1. The horizon. Perhaps the most striking proof is also the simplest: the horizon itself. When you ascend, whether by climbing a mountain, flying in a plane, or sending a balloon into the stratosphere, the horizon rises to meet your eyes. On a sphere, the higher you go, the more the horizon should drop away beneath you, yet it never does. From ground level to over 120,000 feet, the horizon remains at eye level and perfectly flat. Only wide-angle lenses introduce a curve, but with a true, non-fisheye lens, the horizon tells a different story. This is exactly what we would expect to see on a vast, flat Earth. These 5 proofs are not based on theory, but on observation, measurement, and repeatable testing. The evidence is not hidden in laboratories or locked behind government agencies. It's in the world around us, ready for anyone to see. The question is not whether the earth is flat, but whether we have the courage to question everything we've been told.